Have you ever been out of the house, your battery dropped below 10%, and there was no power anywhere to charge it? If you live in Nigeria, you already know how frustrating that can be. Even if you're outside Nigeria, have your phone ever died while you are traveling, working, or creating content? Never a good experience. That's why a reliable power bank is no longer a luxury. It's something many of us use every day. I've been using the Xiaomi 22.5 20,000 mAh power bank with an integrated USB-C cable, and in this video I will show you everything you need to know. We're looking at the design, what is inside the box, charging speed, battery life, and whether it's worth buying. Now let's get started. Now let's talk about the look and design. The first thing you will notice is the clean and simple design. The version I have came is in dark blue color with a smooth matte finish. It looks premium, doesn't attract too much finger easily, and feels comfortable to hold. Although it's compact, it has a bit of weight which is expected for a genuine 20,000 mAh power bank. It feels solid and well built, not cheap or hollow. It's also small enough to fit inside your pocket, handbag, or even a larger pocket. Inside the box, Xiaomi keeps the thing simple. You get the Xiaomi 20,000 mAh power bank, user manuals, and documentation. That's all. There is no extra charging cable because Xiaomi already built in one into the power bank, which is actually one of the best features. One of my favorite features is the inbuilt USB-C cable. Instead of carrying an extra cable everywhere, you simply pull out the integrated cable and plug it in directly into your phone. It is short, thick, and feels very strong. You can even use it as a small carrying loop when you are holding the power bank, although I wouldn't recommend swinging or playing with it. Beside the inbuilt cable, you also get a one USB-A output, a USB-C port for both input and output. This means you can charge multiple devices at the same time. It works with smartphones, tablets, wireless earbuds, Bluetooth speakers, and smartwatches, even some gaming accessories, and many other USB powered devices. This is a 20,000 mAh power bank. In a real world, you can expect around 3 to 4 full charges for most smartphones. Smaller phones may get you even more charges. If you travel often or experience frequent power outages, this amount of battery can easily last you several days depending on your usage. This power bank supports 22.5 fast wire charging. If your phone supports fast charging, you will notice a big difference compared to regular charging. I tested it with my Samsung phone, which supports around 25 fast charging, and it charged from low battery to full about 1 hour and 20 minutes, which is very impressive. The power bank itself also supports fast input charging, so you won't spend the whole day waiting for it to charge. According to Xiaomi's manual and according to my own experience, it's like it charges your power bank around 5 to 6 hours using a fast charger. And if you want to charge it with a normal regular charger or without any fast charging, it takes around 10 hours or more to charge your power bank. On one side, you will find a battery check button. Press it once and the 4 LED indicator lights show you how much battery is left. The LEDs also blink while charging the power bank, while charging another device with the power bank. One small thing I like is the tiny click sound you hear when a device starts charging. It's a nice confirmation that everything is connected properly. Another useful feature is low current charging mode. This is designed for smaller gadgets like wireless earbud, smartwatches, fitness band, Bluetooth accessories. It delivers power safely without overloading small devices. According to the manual, you can activate this by double pressing the battery check button, making it perfect for charging your accessories that requires a low power. Now, charging the power bank is straightforward. Just connect with the inbuilt-in USB cable or use the USB-C port with a compatible charger. Depending on your charger, a full charge takes around 5 to 10 hours. Once it's fully charged, you can comfortably use it for several days or even weeks before needing to recharge again. And let's talk about the daily use experience. After using this power bank for some time, I can say it is very easy to use. Just press the button, check the battery level, plug in your phone, charge starts automatically. There is no complicated setup or confusing features. It simply works every time you want to use it. Now let's talk about who should buy this power bank. I think this power bank is perfect for students, office workers, content creators, travelers, business owners, anyone who deals with unstable electricity. If you rely on your phone every day, you will definitely appreciate having this in your bag. Now let's talk about the price. I bought mine for around 25,000 naira, which is roughly $20. Although prices may change depending on your location, you can buy it from Jumia, Amazon, AliExpress, or any trusted local phone or electronics store around your area. But after using this power bank, here are the things I like the most. 20,000 mAh capacity. 22.5 fast charging, built-in USB-C cable, USB-A and USB ports, strong and premium build quality, 4 LED battery indicators, low current charging mode for smaller devices, compact design that is easy to carry. It may not be flashiest power bank on the market, but is reliable, practical, and does exactly what it's supposed to do. If you are looking for a dependable power bank that you can carry everywhere without worrying about forgetting your charging cable, the Xiaomi model is definitely worth considering. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss a future videos. I also review Xiaomi large power bank on the channel, so I will leave the link in the description below if you would like to compare both models before buying. Let me know in the comments what type of power bank are you currently using and would you consider buying this Xiaomi one. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye.